Yep.
Alright, Thor.
Are we doing movie? I'm assuming, not comic.
Yeah, movies.
Is this the only Thor? There's not like another Thor. All right. So yeah, this is just Thor in
Yeah,
general.
I'd put him around a C.
Really?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think you're lying
No,
to me here.
Thor's a good C. Yeah. Next, who's this black chick?
I have no idea. I'm assuming from Black Panther.
I can't see really well. I can't tell who that is.
I'm just gonna put him in
All
F.
powerful. There's Valkyrie.
Yeah, I've never really seen her
Well, that's
powers.
probably like Okoye or the science girl from Black Panther. I forgot we were doing heroes. Yeah, she's probably A tier then for sure. Valkyrie? C, she's there with Thor. She's actually a bit stronger than Thor, so B. Oh no, here's Okoye, I think. I can't tell. Dude, I can't know, wait. Oh shit, no, that's Spider-Man.
She's right next to him.
Spider-Man, A tier. He's super powerful. Why is there a Spider-Man and a Peter Parker?
Those are two different people.
What the hell? Okay, okay, Okoye, I think that's her name. We'll put...
Spider-Man and Peter Parker.
I'll put her around... I'll put her in the all-powerful tier, because she is, like, super strong.
Oh god, what about Black Widow?
Powerless. She literally does nothing. She dies. She's a bitch. She's dead. Who's that? Iron Man? Powerless. He's just a human.
Mm-hmm.
Who's this guy?
What about Falcon?
Is that who that is?
Yep.
All powerful. Up there with Okoye.
Yeah, I thought so.
Peter
What
Quill.
about Peter Quill?
He's with Thor. He's on the same level of Thor. Around C, I would say. Yeah, somewhere around there. Gamora. Super badass. Super powerful. A tier. What do you think?
Who, Gamora? I don't know. On her.
What about Black Panther? I'd say he's all powerful with Falcon. No, he's a little bit weaker. So he's A tier. He's like on the same level as Gamora, I think. Is that Captain Marvel?
Maybe.
Okay, well, she is totally powerless. So she can be with Iron Man and Black Widow.
The Black Widow's down on the powerless?
That's a good point. I'll put her with Valkyrie and I'll move Thor down to powerless. There, that looks better. Who's that? Captain America? C tier.
Yeah.
He's at least better than Thor and Captain Marvel.
What about Hawkeye?
That's War Machine.
No, we should talk Hawkeye.
I'm like,
Did you not see his new suit in the movie?
I guess I missed it, yeah. Okay, so Hawkeye? Hawkeye, War Machine, Hawkeye... He's too powerful. He's A. He's all powerful tier. S plus even. Who's this? The Wasp? All powerful. There's the real Hawkeye Hunter. The Lion to me. All
Mm-hmm.
powerful. War Machine can drop down to Valkyrie then. Nah, now we're looking at a tier list. Groot, A tier. Mantis, she's probably middle of the road. Ant-Man, when he becomes Giant Man, is way OP, so we'll put him in all powerful. Better than Thor, at least. Drax the Destroyer. He's invisible, isn't he?
Yeah, if he stands still,
So
like you can't
so
see
he's
him.
invisible, and so he can just attack people by being invisible. So he's all powerful. Doctor Strange has no powers. Is literally powerless. He's just a human. Who's that big black guy? Is that one of the mountain people?
Fat guy sitting in a chair. It looks like.
Okay, fat guy sitting in a chair. I'm pretty sure he's from Black Panther, and he uses like primitive weapons.
Oh yeah, he's black. Of course, he's from Black Panther.
Falcon's not from Black Panther. And he's black. Alright, this big black guy, they use primitive weapons that's not like vibranium. I think they like no vibranium. Ooga booga. We'll put him at A tier. Rocket Raccoon. Rocket Raccoon is a powerful pilot and marksman. And he's a raccoon, so A tier for sure. Yeah. Okay. I think I've got everything pretty lined up. Hulk. Now, what does the Hulk do? Name one, like, a good feat that he's ever accomplished. Hunter, name one.
He lost to Thanos.
Oh, yeah, powerless. Fucking, he's right down there with Doctor Strange, Thor, and Iron Man.
At least not Black Widow.
At least not Black Widow, she's a bit more stronger. Scarlet Witch. Thanos took everything from her, and then he just disgraced her. So that's powerless. Nebula, she's a robot. She literally is blue. That's all powerful tier. No, not quite. B tier, actually. Vision. Oh, we all know what happened to Vision.
Yeah.
Where he had a run-in with Thanos. And he blew his mind. So let's go... since Thanos is such a mind-blowing figure to Vision, we'll put him at A tier. He's an android. C tier. Who is this? Oh, is that Bucky?
Yep.
Powerless. Well, not quite. He's not quite powerless. He can use a gun, so I'll put him with Peter Quill because he can use a gun too. Actually, I'll put him at A tier with Rocket Raccoon.
he can use the gun.
Yeah.
Rocket Raccoon can definitely use a
Yeah.
gun.
Who the fuck is that Asian guy?
Some Doctor Strange, don't
That's
you
one of the
know?
guys that works with Doctor Strange. I think his name is like Wong. I think that's legit his name.
I think Doctor Strange. Doctor Strange works for him. I thought.
Oh, you're right. He's a bit more powerful than Doctor Strange. We'll put him at C tier. B tier, actually. Nick Fury. Way too strong. Way overpowered. Nerf him and remove him from the MCU.
Oh dang! Oh, I can't even talk about the next one.
Now, who the hell is that? That's like Iron Man's
It's Happy.
buddy. Lawyer.
It
or
is.
whatever he is.
A tier
No,
automatically.
yeah, no, he's all powerful.
Killed Iron Man.
No, fuck yeah. He killed Iron Man. He was the reason Iron Man died. And then he tried to steal his daughter. So yeah, he's A tier.
Oh yeah, he did. I think he did something about eating cheeseburgers or
And then he
something.
tried to fuck Peter Parker. You can see it in the Spider-Man Far From Home trailer. So yeah, he's...
Oh, that's why there's a separate Peter Parker's before and
God,
after.
yeah, no, he's definitely a all-powerful tier. God damn, yeah, for sure. Who's that? Who is that, actually? Pepper Potts.
That's his wife.
Pepper Potts. You know, I'd probably put her at all-powerful if her husband hadn't have died, and that kind of dropped her down to C. Who the hell is that now? Dark Phoenix? Who is that?
It looks like the girl that works with Nick Fury, but she doesn't do anything.
Okay.
She just holds a tablet.
No, it's Dark Phoenix. She's all powerful. And then Peter Parker. Well, no, she's not all powerful, actually. She's probably A tier, though.
Who is this? Who's Peter Parker?
Who is Peter Parker? Okay, I think I need to add a new tier. Here's my Pete tier, and I put Peter Parker at top. Yeah, this looks like a very, very solid tier list.
Subscribe,